am a queen in all my glory, writing my own story. Bow down, world, and see my reign, for I am a queen again.
May I ask you to please turn your right now. Alright, so nakita na po natin yung kanilang poise and elegance. How about turn to your right once more? Ayan, tumalikod na po sila sa ating lahat. And how about turn to your right again? Ang sexy nila, no? Lumabas yung mga mapuputing legs. And back to your position. Ayan, bumalik na po sila sa dati. And this time, let's get to know your candidates. Alright, pwede po bang mag-move backward muna? Alright. Okay, so may I ask the assistance of candidate number 7?
Uy, natanggal.
Please help her.
Natanggal yung ano niya, takong. Paano yan? Wala na siyang takong.
Tumulong yung mga kasama niya. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Ganyan talaga. Nagtutulungan sa pageant. Okay? Alright. So, can you please move? Here in front, candidate number 1. Okay. She is from Barangay Tubuan. How about a big round of applause to candidate number 1? Thank you very much. Okay. You are so sexy and gorgeous tonight, but not tonight. Always. Okay. So, here is your casual interview. Okay. Ako muna, di ba? Tama? Okay, kamusta? Kamusta ka, candidate number 1?
Well, it's a mixed emotion, like excited and a little bit nervous.
Okay, a little bit nervous, pero kailangan ka lang bumunot siguro. Okay? Okay. This is a hashtag question. Are you aware of this?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Hashtag. Paki-check ang mic kung gumagana.
Hello, Magda.
Ayan, gumagana. This is your hashtag, candidate number 1. Bilis, kilo, serbisyo. Lubos.
Hashtag bilis kilos serbisyong lubos. We all know, ladies and gentlemen, that we have a progressive municipality right now. And thank you for our beloved mayor for these wonderful new projects like a solar electric thing. And we all, bilis kilos serbisyong lubos, kailangan po talaga ng mabilis na kilos for us to be able to have a rich and successful municipality. And that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1. Salita para sa'yo, candidate number 2. Kamusta si candidate number 2? And ano ang masasabi mo sa iyong mga supporters?
To tell you honestly, sir, right now I feel nervous, a little bit hungry, and I feel like there's a needle that pinned to my brain right now. But thank you so much for my fellow kabarangays for coming, for supporting me. Pinatnaro ta kayong lawas para sa kayo ang laban.
Okay. That is well said, candidate number 2 to your supporters. Hungry ka na?
A little bit.
Oo, dahil alam ko, bubusugin ka ng iyong hashtag question. Ba't ako
Thank you
yung
so much,
bumubulot?
ate girl.
Okay, here is your hashtag question. Pride celebration.
Okay, the hashtag that I picked is Pride Celebration. Tonight, the hashtag itself is Speak Louder. We are celebrating Pride. Ngayong gabi, narito ho tayong lahat upang tunghayan kung gaano katalino, katalentado at kaganda ang mga miyembro ng LGBT community. This competition would not be possible without the help of our municipal mayor and our vice mayor and to our councilors. Thank you so much, especially to our president, Madam Bryson. Thank you so much for having an event like this, because this event is to serve an eye-opener to every person or to the fellow Labradorians that we, LGBT community, is not the jakes of society, but we are the asset of this community. Masantos Salabi.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. Okay, next is your candidate number 3. Okay.
Good evening, sir. It's okay. I'm so happy because I'm here tonight.
Okay, so wala ka nang sasabihin pa?
Thank you for supporting barangay ko.
Ako, barangay ko. Nanervyos na siya.
Ano yon? Pakiulit.
My barangay Bungalon. Thank you for supporting.
Okay, thank you very much, candidate number 3. Pinasaya mo ako ngayong gabi. Okay. Are you ready with your hashtag?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, beautiful hashtag. Hashtag proud and loud.
Okay, thank you for this question.
Question.
Proud and loud. I'm here tonight to show who I am. And pinagmamalaki ko kung anong meron kami ngayon because being an LGBT, pinagbuklod-buklod kami para sa isang layunin. As we all thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. Ang tangkad ni candidate number 4. Kamusta ka?
I'm feeling excited.
Okay, wala ka na bang ibang sasabihin pa? Wala na. Okay. So, ready ka nang bumunot? Bunot ka na? Candidate number 4. Oh! Another beautiful hashtag. Hashtag love wins.
Love wins. Love wins starts when you fall in love with that person, appreciating, accepting the flaws and the imperfection of someone. Don't let anyone define what you feel for someone you love. And because I believe that loves conquer it all. Thank you.
Wow! Okay. Very inspiring. See you. 5. Okay, kamusta si candidate number 5?
I'm okay, but I have a lot of butterfly right now.
Okay, any addition?
No.
Okay. Handa ka nang bumunot? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe.
Alright. Your hashtag is gay life.
Okay, when we say gay life, ang unang pumapasok sa atin is mahirap maging bakla. Well, that's true. Because we hear a lot of discrimination. But we are standing in front of you to showcase our talent, that we can, no matter what you say, because we believe in ourselves. That's all. Thank you so much. Good evening.
Thank you very much, candidate number 5. Next is your candidate.